Hi, I'm Randy Vance. Today I'm on a boat that we've been anticipating for ever since we ran Monterey's new Elite 30. This is the Elite 27. It has styling we've never seen before, an exciting interior, and as much as we love to say a boat is a head turner, we're finally on a couple that are. I want to show you how Monterey's put it together, so come on aboard with me right now. Now the square stem design with the vertical sides and the gunnel mounted hardtop bring the most exciting exterior lines to this boat, and inside it, underneath the hardtop it supports, you find what I consider the most dramatic feature, and that is this centered helm. I love the way the dual seats are set up like a performance boat. You've got your throttle in the center, your trim tabs in the center. This display here by Simrad that gives you the complete engine operation doubles as a navigation display at the touch of a button. It gives you access to your music system and access to all your digital switching. Now, there are a number of switches that you want to be right on the dash, and you'll find those right here on the port side by the wheel. Now, as a backup, you've got your Fusion audio system right here on the dash. You can see right here is a charger that's an inductive charger. We've got another inductive charger in the glove box to the starboard side of the helm, and plenty of storage on the port side as well. Now the bucket seats are a thing of beauty, as I said. They also swivel so you can face them aft to talk to the passengers in the back of the boat while you're on the hook. Now the hardtop protects the helm console and part of the cockpit. Now Monterey has narrowed the gunnels along amidship. That gives you a wider passageway fore and aft. I like the fact that this windshield is open here. It protects the helm, but it gives you plenty of air aft in the boat and easy passageway forward. Passageway forward is something I want you to explore now, see what's up front. Now the bow seating area is really comfortable. You've got a high sides to it and grab rails right here. These seat cushions give you forward-facing lounges, and you have one on either side of the boat. You'll also find charging ports for cell phones there, and the control to the optional windlass that's on board this boat. We think that's a feature you really ought to opt for. Now on the front of the console, you've got this lounge here with fold-down armrests. And the coolest trick on board is the way that opens up, revealing a large head compartment underneath. You'll find an electric flushing toilet, one of the few options on this boat. Standard would be a portable toilet. You've got a freshwater sink and plenty of storage. Now under the seats you'll find plenty of dry storage. We like the way the cushions are hinged so they stay out of the way while you access it. You've also got a cocktail table to add to the enhancements up front. There's a large storage compartment in the floor, but the most exciting seating on board for your passengers is aft of the helm. Follow me. Now the L-shaped lounge aft makes an ideal conversation area, especially when the helm seats are swiveled aft. What I like about this arrangement is the seat back can swivel all the way forward, giving you a sun pad facing the water, and it can also be raised up partially, tilted back, so you have a lounge facing the water. The seat back on this lounge pulls out and plugs into another station, giving you still another aft-facing lounge option. Underneath you have plenty of storage. It gives you access to coolers, it gives you access to your plumbing, other things that you might need to maintain in the future of your boat. Now to the starboard side, you've got a walkway to the transom platform, and we really appreciate the way Monterey has designed that so you can pass from starboard to port without tripping over cables. One thing Monterey did on this boat that I really appreciate is dual ladders on the starboard and the port side. They're turned sideways so nobody's going to stub their toes on the gear case, and that's a nice safety feature. Now there's an entertainment galley to the starboard side. That's got a freshwater sink and a pull-out shower. You're going to enjoy that when you're climbing in off of a sandy beach or sandbar. You've got storage underneath, and you'll find a USB charging port for phones and a remote control for the audio system. Now the audio system includes powerful JL speakers, some of the best in the industry, and a Fusion controller which communicates beautifully with the Simrad display. Monterey also always does a nice job on hardware. You've got high quality, large cleats that pull up and pop down to give you a low profile, and there's a nice midship cleat on either side for easy mooring. Cup holders abound, and we like the mounts on either side of the boat. That gives you a place to mount a grill for having some burgers on the water. The Elite 27 brings all the excitement to the water that we found in the Elite 30. It is a boat designed like no other from an American boat builder. It brings the performance simplicity of a single engine, speeds over 50 miles an hour, and a head-turning quality that you're going to love. We think you ought to take a look at it. I'm Randy Vance with Monterey's Elite 27.